Here I am. Got Daniel over there working hard. Yes. We're gonna go more in depth in the box. All right, so here's the box. So electric orange, black trim. It's got the bed liner top. It's got the power LEDs right there. So turn it on, turn it off. Looks super slick. Right now, Daniel kind of just has it. This is what you see. A lot of people kind of organize their stuff and make it look kind of unrealistic, but this is what his box looks like every day, how he works out of it. Do you want to go in depth or show what you got in here?
Top drawer, I got all my sockets, specialty sockets over here.
Okay.
Extensions and ratchets.
Nice.
And then on my second drawer, I got all types of wrenches.
Wow.
So we got standard on this side.
On this side, okay.
And metric on this side.
You're very symmetrical with things. You have the flare wrenches here for your brake lines and standard, with your crow's foot and a brake line tool or brake bleeder tool wrench or whatever. Then here you got this here in the middle, and you got the identical stuff in metric over here laid out in the same way. I like it. Looks good. And you have a lot of room for more tools in there.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay.
Next drawer down, we got fucking pliers.
Pliers.
All sorts of fucking pliers.
Very nice.
Oil wrenches, torque wrenches, 1/2 inch, 3/8, quarter.
Wow.
Got a little.
What is this?
Little Mac tools.
Okay. Nice.
Little mini torque bit set.
Yeah, that comes in hand on like those Jeep Wranglers for the rear bolts on the transmission pan. One of those little guys will squeeze right in there.
Yeah, we got some drove bits here.
Oh, looking good, looking fresh. Very nice. Your pry bars as well, whenever you got to pry on something.
Smallest to biggest.
Cool, I like these right here for like taking off the hubcaps. Very nice and perfect, works out great.
We got.
Let's take a look at these torque wrenches.
1/2 inch take angle. Do degrees, Newton meters, inch pounds, foot pounds.
Oh yeah.
3/8 as well.
Very
Same
nice.
thing, the take angle.
Very nice.
Then we got a quarter drive. I usually use this one for setting bearing preloads and rotational torque,
Okay.
or rotational torque, I should say.
Very nice.
Sorts. We got some hose cutters.
Oh yeah.
Cut them hoses.
Very nice. Cool. And that was on that promotional flyer with the picks too. You got it all in a nice combo. I remember that.
Yeah.
Very nice. And you got a rivet gun over there.
Yeah, got a cheap rivet gun.
Yeah.
Is that O'Reilly special?
But hey, it gets the job done.
Yeah.
Put that back there. Yeah. Very cool. And I noticed when you open it, not only does this lighting work as like, it's also usable. I mean, it lights up your drawer and you can see clearly everything that you have in there.
Yeah, it lights up every single drawer, even all the way to the bottom.
Wow. That
This
is
our
very cool.
Tweaker drawer.
The tweaker drawer, okay.
Some miscellaneous stuff. Got fuses. Got RTV. Got a valve grinding tool here that's not very commonly used. We got electrical tape.
What is that?
GM shift linkage.
Okay.
We also have a GM.
Wire harness.
Yeah, it's a wire harness for a fuel pump with Silverados.
Okay. Let's do a lot of those. I mean.
Yeah, we got fan. This is for same thing, Silverado resistor and blower motor.
Okay.
Wiring.
Got plumber's tape for just got to rig something up for now.
For hanging exhausts, it works great.
Okay.
Got relay wiring harnesses.
Nice. Are those welder tips for a MIG gun?
Yeah, these are welding tips.
Oh, nice. Dude, you got a little bit of everything in this thing.
Got some freaking U-joint
Clips. Okay, very nice.
Got staples, heavy duty staples right here.
Yeah, for stapling work orders, I guess.
So this is for stapling
Oh.
wood.
Oh.
I don't have the stapler here, but I have them.
Okay. Lighter for the heat shrink.
Yeah.
When you get too stressed out, you gotta take a
Got
smoke
some
break.
Ford coils.
Some coils, okay.
Yeah, because you know Ford.
Just for testing purposes.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are for Toyota.
Where are they used at?
These are the differential O-rings.
Oh, for the like washers for the drain
Yes.
plugs and fill plugs.
Correct.
Okay, very nice.
Got some nut wax.
Oh, yeah.
Nut wax.
Very nice.
Oh, we got this cool little testing thing for trailers.
Oh, dude, that is very cool.
Test light, so you plug it in and you get these light up if they work.
Okay, that's
Very handy.
yeah, that is awesome. Wow, very impressive. A little bit of everything in that one.
Got picks and screwdrivers.
Wow. There are your screwdrivers. You got these torque driver things, more screwdrivers. Here you've got your oh, what's in there?
Oh, right here.
Ooh,
It's not digital.
that is cool. You know, this thing right here cost Daniel a whole Honda Civic.
Yes, literally.
Actually.
I traded a Honda Civic for this.
Yeah.
It didn't run, but I traded one.
Yep.
Heaters.
Now, what brand are these suckers here?
These are Snap-on.
Oh, damn. Very
Sir.
nice. More tape, some leads. I know you recommended these to me, and they worked really good.
Yeah,
I
these
used
are
them.
nice. Yes.
Yeah, I used them on the calibrating the TPS sensor on my '87 4Runner I used to own.
Yes, correct.
That was a good tool.
Got this tool that I've never used yet.
What is it?
It's to check for parasitic draw. So you hook up your,
Oh, what? That is
you
cool.
hook this up to the battery,
Yeah.
and then you have test lead. Oh, fuck, that's just. You have test leads right here.
Okay.
So you plug these into your multimeter.
Right in there. Okay.
Yep. And then you even have fuses if it's a big thing. It's just a breaker,
It'll pop it.
7.5.
Okay.
And then there's also a 15 amp. And if it pops, you push it back in.
Cool.
On and off switch.
Very nice.
I hope to use it one day.
Cool. And then you got your starter thing for.
Oh yes, it's the starter button.
Those are neat. Is that also? It's a Mac
this
one.
is a Mac.
Very nice. Shout out to Justin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, hammers.
Here we
I
got
like
the
that.
construction zone and some specialty tools.
Okay, okay. Let's check it out.
So we got these hammers all in order, except these are, not in order, but
Yep.
got the pickle forks over here.
Okay.
Got a water pump tools over here.
Very
Brake
nice.
tools. Right
Snap
here.
on too. Damn.
Yeah, this one and this one are snap on.
Nice for the calipers. Spread them
Yes.
open. Be like,
This one
open
works
up.
really good for the small cars. This one can't compress all the way down, but this one it's just
Oh, I
great.
see how it kind of sandwiches in like
Super
that.
thin,
Oh
so
yeah.
you get any. You can even get motorcycle calipers with this one.
That is crazy. That's so cool.
Got a pit in arm
Puller,
puller
okay.
that doesn't really do much. I have a better one down here. I'll show you in a minute. This one I haven't used in
What's
quite a
that
while.
one used for?
It's to take off pinions off
Oh,
the
like
bearings.
on, okay, on the diff. That makes sense for
Yeah.
that big old opening there. Okay.
And
Ooh.
we got a power probe. I've had
Like
this one for
those.
years. Love it.
Nice. I'm thinking about getting one of those myself pretty soon here. Very cool.
Here we have that Euro socket stuff.
Oh, okay. All that,
Torques.
all that shit.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Cool. And we got your pneumatic fucking chisel there.
Yes, sir. Got that hammer.
Pretty cool. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Ooh, more kits.
Yeah, these are all this special.
That's a lot of
shit.
kits, man.
Yes, it is. Need them all.
All
Like
right.
Pokemons.
Let's see what you got there.
Well, here the biggest box. This is custom made right here. Look, LS crank tool.
Oh,
By Dan's Garage.
wow, that is cool.
Yeah.
We'll have a
That's
link to that in the
For the-
description.
for the damper.
Very nice.
Got the cooling system, pressure test kit.
Whoa, dude. This thing is sweet. I like it.
Yeah, get all the adapters.
Very nice.
Got GM torsion bar tool.
Oh, okay. Very cool. Nice and green.
Yeah. Got a cheap O'Reilly's ball joint press tool. That one's heavy and annoying, so.
Yeah, I know what those are. I'll get a snap-on one here soon, or what?
Yeah, once that one breaks. Oxygen sensor tool.
Oh, those will come in handy.
These are cheap from O'Reilly's, but they work great.
Yeah.
Got a manual punch for them freaking rotor.
Oh
bolts.
yeah. Oh yeah. That there. I had to drill a few of those out, or that tool, if I used it first, it would have worked.
Yeah.
This little gear wrench here. Okay.
Got a harmonic balancer install kit.
Okay, yep, those are definitely come in handy. You're very important, because I've seen people try to hammer them on and all they do is screw everything up, and that will not work.
Yes,
You definitely need one of those tools to get that job done. Is that another coolant system tester there too?
No, this is a connection tool for any lines.
for coolant lines, for like transmission coolers, and all that kind of stuff, fuel lines
fuel,
and stuff.
anything with those
With that kind of
connectors.
Okay.
Yes,
What is that? A GM Pittman arm puller from Snap-on?
Yes, this is a
What? Look
good
at you,
one right
you're
there.
fancy.
Especially for confined 4x4 areas.
Oh,
Works great.
hell yeah, that is awesome.
But it doesn't work on 2500 Pittman arms.
Really? So it's only for 1500s?
Yes.
Bummer.
Yeah, it's kind of a bummer.
Damn, maybe we ought to talk
I mean,
to...
it works if you if you take off the whole steering gearbox.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Get a little stud installer.
Okay, for like wheel studs? Or
Yeah.
any kind of stud, really?
Yeah, stud. Then you got different threads. You got freaking 14x2. You got 14x15.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't used this.
Looks brand new.
I like to use the other one over here. I like to use this one and
Oh, yeah.
this one.
I've used those.
So
Those
these
are
are
great.
much simpler to use.
Yeah. Just freaking bites on and gets the job done. Is that a Snap-on beanie? Let's see that.
Yeah, this was given to me for free.
Free. For a low price of a big tool debt, but
Yeah.
yep, that's how they get you.
Got a brake caliper tool.
Okay. Very nice.
Got cylinder leakage tester there.
Oh, yep, that's always in handy.
Got a stud puller set.
That was brand new. I
Yeah.
remember when you bought that one.
Yeah.
Again, shout out to Justin.
That was the standard, I believe. This is a standard, and then that was the metric.
Okay.
Yeah. Got a caliper dial over here.
Oh, nice. Definitely needed. I mean, nothing that gets used often in here, but definitely good to have it on hand for that rare opportunity.
Got a compression tester kit.
Okay, very nice. Checking that compression.
Yeah, this one we use a lot.
Yo, yeah. There's a lot of junky cars that come around here.
Preludes.
Oh, yeah.
And the best for last.
Oh, damn. So you're Milwaukee man, huh?
Yes, sir. Milwaukee to heart.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What does Snap-on say about that?
I don't care about Snap-on's opinion. I spent enough with them.
Oh, yeah, that's the way it's supposed to
We
be.
gotta save some for the rest of them.
Exactly,
Yeah.
but all right. Let's.
Got our little baby 1/4" drive.
Okay, with its brother right there.
Got our drill here.
Okay, very cool.
We have 3/8 small ratchet.
Very nice. Those are come in handy
We have a bigger, beefier 3/8 ratchet.
for them bigger, tighter bolts.
We got a air grinder here.
Yes. not to be used on engine decks.
Yes.
Not a good idea.
No, that is not a good idea. Don't
Yep.
ever do that.
Nope.
You got the long 3/8 for them hard to reach spots.
Very
All the
nice.
leverage.
Damn, you're a ratchet man. Like, in a good way.
I love
all the ratchets.
I love my ratchets.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Cool.
We got our 3/8 impact right here.
Oh, all right.
Got our 1/2"
Nice.
stubby, somewhat.
Beautiful.
And we got a stubby 3/8 pneumatic. And
Where's your PT850?
it's over here.
Oh, it's over here busy doing work.
Yeah, it's not to work today.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
We don't have air because the compressor's not on, but
Oh. But yeah.
there it is. Bad boy.
Very nice. There's your old box over there.
Yeah.
Doesn't compare to this one, that's for sure.
Here we got all these flashlights. Really great. Very bright.
Wow. And it's 3 of them.
Yeah, it's 3.
And it comes with this charging port and everything. And you
Yep,
got a little
charges
string light
here.
there too.
String light right here.
Wow.
Ready to go.
Nice. Whew. Very bright. Charging station there. Oh, what is that? A jumper pack?
Yes, this is a no-co boost HD. It'll freaking jump up to 5 gangs in one.
Really?
Yeah, it's a great jumper.
Damn. It'll jump 5 gangs. Just that little one right there. We don't want to
Yeah.
mess with it.
Yeah, no, don't mess with that one.
Yeah. And then
There
where
we
you
go.
put all your bills. Oh, I'm kidding.
Just random stuff here.
A hair dryer.
Hair dryer.
You gotta be looking good in the shop.
Gotta dry the hair, it gets frizzy.
Yeah. Jeez. Now I know where to come to get my hair looking right. Here at
Yes.
Dan's, also a hairstylist.
Yes.
There's
sir.
another power probe attachment.
Oh, this is a
Just a case.
it's a heat thing.
Oh,
I have it
okay.
at home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's soldering
Very nice.
kit.
Just all your instruction manuals,
Yeah,
ASC
manuals.
books. Gotta be studying those up, guys. Remember
Yes.
that. Some cheater pipes. ARP, fucking, what is this? Fucking to measure?
This is to check decks.
Oh, make sure they're
Make
straight.
sure it's covered. This is perfectly straight.
So make sure after someone
You don't-
cleans it with the wire wheel, you fucking check that after they.
Yes.
You're not supposed to, but just to, yeah.
Yeah, when your neighbors do it, just look away.
Just
You
look
do
away.
you.
You do you. Keep working hard and just don't worry about others.
Yes.
Little advice right there, that's for sure.
Yeah, that concludes our toolbox review.
Yeah. Also, there was some confusion. This is Daniel's box, not mine.
Yeah.
I'm just featuring it on my channel. One day I'd definitely love to get something like this. I'm very excited for Daniel. So, yeah. I hope you guys like the video and more to come, because what do you have next for the plans?
We got a hutch coming.
A hutch. Now, what's the benefit of a hutch? What do you not like about it being an open top?
Just things just fall right through. I'm trying to get something that falls behind the box.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want it to fall.
Yep. Well, hutch is coming soon. All right, guys. This is Daniel's old box. It's a nice Master Series. Pretty cool box. And it'll be for sale. So if you guys want this box here, we don't know the price or anything because we're not dealers or none of that. But yeah, I'll have a link at the bottom who you can contact if this box interests you.